Assalamualaikum and welcome to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe of aloo ke Sekh kabab. Sound interesting, right? When I saw this recipe online, I thought I had to try this. My whole family loved it. Perfect after school snack. And it's the same barbecue, smoky kebab flavor, but no red meat, no chicken. This time it's potatoes. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So first I boiled some potatoes and mashed them. Then I have some chopped onions, chopped cilantro and chopped green chilies, and all those goes inside in a mixing bowl. Then I added some Sekh kebab masala. You can use any brand, whatever you have on hand. And then I add some butter and then mix everything with the potato mixture. Then I add a piece of white bread slice. You can add breadcrumbs as well. And then I add egg. And then again mix everything with the help of hand until everything is fully combined. You can check the seasoning at this point. If you think the salt is not enough, you can add salt, but I think the masala, packaged masala, have enough sodium to make it taste wonderful. When everything is fully combined, just keep this mixture on the side and let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Then after that, take a handful of mixture and start rolling and shape them like the Sekh kebab. And then repeat the same process with the rest of your potato mixture and make it rest of your Sekh kebab. Now heat a fry pan, add a tablespoon of oil. We don't need any extra oil for these kebabs. And I tried frying them with a little more oil, and that's the worst decision ever. I'll show you the end result. I have few of those broken kebabs with me. So just don't overcrowd them. Just let them cook on a medium to high heat until they are getting a nice golden color from one side. Then flip them and let them cook completely from the other side. We just need a color on top of the kebabs. Everything is fully cooked in your kebabs, so we don't need to cook. So take like 2 forks or spoons, turn it around, and your Sekh kebabs are ready to serve. So just take them out on a piece of paper towel to absorb extra oil, and these are those legendary kebabs I was talking about, which I try to fry in extra oil. So just very little oil is more than enough for these kebabs. Now for storing for future use, I always suggest the potato based item to cook it first and then freeze it. That's what I did. I fry all the Sekh kebabs, then I transfer them into this little foil tin, and then I cover it and tape them, label it, and then put it in the freezer. You can take it out anytime. You can thaw them in microwave or in the oven as well. They'll be ready for your kids' school lunches or for your parties. For all my vegetarian fans out there, don't feel left out. While others are eating meaty Sekh kebabs, you can try this recipe and enjoy at home, which is good for kids' school snack, perfect appetizer for parties. I just gave smoke as well to give them that barbecue taste. And if you like this recipe and trying at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And I'm on Snapchat as well now. So just send me a picture, please. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.